Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Google AdWords Sitelink extensions. Hi, my name is Uzair and thanks for joining in. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set up Google AdWords site extensions, which makes your ads a lot more bigger. You can put in more information about your products or services, and it also improves your ad rank, quality score, and a lot of metrics which help you reduce your cost per click. So what are site links? So let's go on to Google and see what they are. So I've just put in a key phrase, and as you can see, the 4 ads over here, and only one of them is showing the site links. So you get more clickable links on your ads. So it does not cost any additional money or charges from Google. It's all included on your cost per click. So let's go back to our AdWords interface. Go to extensions, click the plus button, then select site link extension. And now you can add the site link on account level, campaign, or ad group level. So in this case, I'm going to use the campaign level. So each site link can be an additional link to one of your pages on your website. So it could be one of your services or products. So if I were to bring up my website and show you the navigation, so all of these services, AdWords, video marketing, production, email marketing, each one of these could be an individual site link. So if I was setting up my campaign, I will set up all of these as a site link, so then Google can pick out the most relevant ones for my ads. So I'm going to use the example for Google AdWords. So I'm going to create a new one, and I'm going to enter either the name of the page, or you could put anything you like. Best Google AdWords agency or something like that, but obviously I've gone over, so I'm just going to keep it as simple as Google AdWords. And then we've got 2 description lines, line 1 and line 2, each with up to 35 character limit. So I'm going to put in get more leads and sales for your business. Get in touch for your 30-day Okay, that looks good. And then I'm going to put in the final URL, whichever it could be. Then you've got site link URL options. These are advanced tracking, so you don't need to worry too much about it. And then you've got your device preference, mobile. I am not going to check it, and I'm not going to schedule the extensions, i.e. it's from a start or an end date, or whether I wish to show my extensions during certain days and during certain times. So I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'm going to save it. I see the site link over here, campaign 1, that's the site link extension, and that is under review. So they're pretty quick and good at approving these site links and other extensions, and within a day they get approved. And once they get approved, they will run with your ads. So I would recommend that you put up at least 8 or 9 site links, or as many as you want, so that you've got more chances of your site links to show up on your ads. And that is how you set up your Google AdWords site link extensions. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, or comment below. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.